Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, I am your science teacher from Mahoday School Mubasiramis and we continue our lesson number 3, the world of plant. Our today's topic is type of the plant. So, we learn about types of the plant today. Before that, we start our lecture with one good line. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. When you work hard for something, you feel very happy when you achieve it. So, always work hard for your dreams. So, let's start our lesson. What we learn today? We learn about types of the plant creeper. You can see here types of the plant creeper. So there is a 4 type of plant. Now before that, let's revise what we learned yesterday. So you remember what you learned yesterday? Let's see. We learn about climbers, stem and one rose plant stem. We see the picture of bean growth. Plant of bean, how it grow. Then we see one picture, in that we can see beans, how they grow and how they grow straight. So here is the stem of the bean, which you can see that very soft. They cannot straight. That's why they need support. So the stick between them is a support which help climber to grow straight. Then we see the picture of one climber stem. Here is, you can see the picture of stem. Then we see the how things give support to climbers. It is a support. Then another picture we show you that it is a support to grow straight. Otherwise they cannot grow straight. Here is a plant of cucumber. How stick gives support to it. Then frame of wood which gives support to climber. You can see here. Then what is climber? We learn that what is climber. The climber is plant that need support to grow straight are called climbers. So what is climbers? Plants that need support to grow straight are called climbers. Climbers need support of wall, other plant, stick or thread to grow straight. You can see here. Climbers on wall, support of other plant. We learned all these things yesterday. You can see one coconut plant which gives support to another plant. It is a climber. Support of stick, when we grow climber in our home, we support like that. Then with thread, we see the picture of some gardens which show us that how climber grow on support with their shape. So here is a picture of gardens. Then the examples of climbers, grapevine, money plant. We learn that money plant don't give us coin. It is just a plant. So we don't get coins or money from money plant. Now let's learn about creepers. So today we learn about creepers. That what is creeper, and what we learn in this lecture, that what is creeper, why we call it creeper, and where they grow. So creepers are type of the plant which also grow like climbers, trees and many other plants. But we divide plants in different types by their stem or their fruit or their leaf or many other things. So from that today we learn about creepers. Now let's see the pictures of some fruits and vegetables. Here first picture is watermelon, muskmelon. They both are fruit. You can see here watermelon, muskmelon, and it is a pumpkin. So what are they? These all are type of the plant. So watermelon, pumpkin and muskmelon are type of the plant. Which type of the plant? Creepers. So the watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin and many other plants are creepers. So we learn about creepers today. Then what did you observe in this picture? Watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkin. They all are big in size. So we learn that that type of plant grow and where they grow and how they grow. Okay. So we learn about creepers. Now where they grow? They grow on tree. Here some picture which show you the plants can grow on that place. So first picture is tree, second like coriander which grow in small pot, then rose, you can see a rose plant, a big pot, then coriander, and climbers which grow with support. So these all are place where plants can grow. So from that where creepers grow? Just think, then where creepers grow, like watermelon grow on tree, or grow like coriander, or grow like rose plant, or climb like climbers, grapevine. Let's see. Here is a tree. So you can imagine that watermelon tree. Watermelon grow on tree? No. watermelon not grow on tree. Why? We learn today why watermelon cannot grow on tree. Then watermelon can grow in pot in our house? No, because watermelon need more space than rose plant. That's why watermelon cannot grow in pot like rose plant. Then watermelon can grow like climbers. You can see here some flowers which are grow on gate of the garden. So like that you see anywhere that one garden and entrance gate there is a watermelon grow like climbers? No. So watermelon cannot grow like climbers. So here watermelon cannot grow, muskmelon cannot grow. Then where watermelon grow? Maybe it grow in pot like coriander, but watermelon is very big, so we cannot grow watermelon in pot like coriander. So let's see where creepers are growing. Watermelon is a creeper, pumpkin is a creeper, and muskmelon is also creeper. So let's see how they grow and where they grow. Here is a lotus. We grow it in lecture of flower. So maybe watermelon grow in water like lotus. But where watermelon grow? Watermelon is so big and lotus is small. So we cannot grow watermelon like lotus also. So here all places which I show you, we cannot grow watermelon there. They cannot grow on tree, they cannot grow in small pot, or they cannot grow in water like lotus. So they grow in big place. You can see here a big farm. So we need ground or land to grow watermelon. So here is a big place where watermelon or pumpkin or muskmelon can grow. They all are creepers because they are growing in the ground or big place. So let's see how they grow. You can see here the picture of two watermelons which grow in ground. You can see the underground part of the land also here. There's a caterpillars you can see, or worms. One caterpillar and worms also. So it is a place where creepers grow. So creepers grow along the ground. That's why we need place to grow creepers because they are big. Creepers are grow along the ground, which we learn that creepers need big place to grow. And why they need big place to grow, we also learn this in lecture. So where creepers grow along the ground. So creepers like watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin need ground to grow. They cannot grow on tree, they cannot grow in pot, they cannot grow underwater, or they cannot grow in mud also. So they need a ground to grow. That's why we called it creepers, because they all are grow along the ground. Let's plant a watermelon. So in further lecture we plant mango tree, then we planted rose, then we planted a lotus, and today we grow watermelon. So you can also learn that how watermelon grows. So here what we grow? Watermelon. Very yummy food. So what you need first to grow plant? Today we are growing watermelon plant. So first I need seeds. So when we grow mango plant, which seed we used? We used apple seed to grow mango plant. No, we use papaya seed to mango plant. No, so we use mango seed for growing mango plant. But today we are growing watermelon. So which seed I need to grow watermelon? I have 4 seeds. You can see here watermelon seed, apple seed, mango seed, and here is a one flower. It is a sunflower. So sunflower seed. Which seeds I have? Watermelon seed, apple seed, mango seeds, and sunflower seed. So I want to grow watermelon. So can I take mango seed for growing watermelon? No. So I use sunflower seed. Then watermelon grow. No. We need watermelon seed to grow watermelon. You cannot use apple seed to grow watermelon. So we take watermelon seeds from here, and remember that watermelon has many seeds, not one seed like mango. So some fruits has many seeds and some fruit has only one seed. So here we grow watermelon, and watermelon has many seeds. Then what we need to grow watermelon? We need ground, because watermelon is a big fruit. Yes, we all eat watermelon, and watermelon is a big fruit than apple or orange or mango. So we need big place to grow watermelon. So here is a garden or a farm or any other place, a big place where is soil available. So we need soil also. So here is a soil. Then what we do first? What we take from seeds? Which seeds we take? Watermelon seeds. So let's put watermelon seed here. So we planted seeds. Which seed is that? Watermelon seed. Then we have to cover the land, because seeds need soil to grow. So we cover it. Then here is a big farm of watermelon. Okay. Then sun is there, because it is a morning time. So here is a sun, and sun, what gives sun to plant? Water. Sun give water to plant? No, sun give sunlight to plant. So here is a sunlight which help to plant grow. Then which things need plant to grow? We give it sunlight, okay? Then air which plants take from the atmosphere. So plant take air, then we give them to water. So we watering the plant because we planted seeds of watermelon which we cannot see because we covered it. So when you give sunlight and water to plant, plants start growing, seeds start growing, and first part of the plant start growing. It is the roots. So we cannot see roots. Why? Remember that root is the underground part of the plant. So when you grow plant, you cannot see roots. So our roots are growing underground. So we give it water and sunlight. Then plant start growing. Yes, you can see here the leaves of watermelon. Very big leaves. It's not small like a rose plant or a mango plant. It's a big because watermelon is also big. So you can see here leaves of watermelon. So first part of the plant is root and second part of the plant is leaves, which you can see here grow from the nutrients which roots take from the leaves. You can see here stem also. So here is a stem and leaves of the watermelon plant. So when roots take water and nutrients from the soil, stem and leaves are start growing. Then flowers start growing, but here is some birds of the flower. Which color is white. So after then what happen? We have to watering it. Then you can grow plant. If you just planted a tree or planted a small plant, then you not watering it, they cannot grow. So we have to watering everyday plant. Then what happen? A small watermelon. You can see here one small watermelon start growing. Very small watermelon. So from soil, nutrients and water help grow fruits and leaves. So here is a small watermelon. Second watermelon start growing and third watermelon start growing. So here is a watermelon growing. You can see the plant of watermelon. Then again with help of sunlight, air and water, which part of the plant making food for plant? Leaf. So when leaf making food for plant, fruit start growing. Then when more water and more nutrients help fruit to grow. So here you can see watermelon is growing. After some times, watermelon grow very good. Then here is a big farm of watermelon. So our 2 or 3 watermelon converted in so many watermelons. So you can grow watermelon from seeds, and from one watermelon to another watermelon you can grow many watermelons. So you can see here so many watermelons in the ground. So here is the farm of watermelon which grow along the ground. Why? Because it is a creeper. So you can see here that the watermelon are growing in ground. Why? Because it is a big, it is a heavy, so they cannot climb on the support. So that's why they grow along the ground. So here is our watermelon which we can eat. So you can take one watermelon from it. Okay. Now here is some example of creepers. So it is which fruit it is? Muskmelon. So you can see the muskmelon is also look like watermelon. It is also heavy. So it is a creeper. And pumpkin we use as vegetable. A orange color fruit is a pumpkin. We use as vegetable, but it is a fruit of the plant. Remember that. Then what are creepers? So we learn that plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. So here we can see the creepers. Then why they grow in ground? Because creepers are heavy, that's why they cannot grow straight like climbers, and they grow along the ground only because they are very heavy. Just imagine that if watermelon climb like a climber, then watermelon fell down. That's why they are growing along the ground. Then here you can see watermelon is a big and apple is a very small. So small fruit can grow on tree, but watermelon is a big and heavy. That's why watermelon cannot grow like a apple. So here when you grow any creeper, you need to take care of them. Here is some picture which show you the how you can grow creepers. So here the picture where watermelon start growing, and you have to grow watermelon like this and cover it with earth. Then if they grow up, then you have to take care of them. You can see here how watermelon is look when they grow up. Here is some plant that grow in mold. So interesting thing about watermelon is in some places of the world watermelon available in squares. So how they grow squares? Let's see that when watermelon start growing, when we have small watermelon, we have to put watermelon in square mold. So they grow in square shape. Then if you put in heart shape mold, then watermelon grow in heart shape Then here you can see the watermelon is growing in square shape. So what we learn today? We learn about creepers. What are creepers? Plant that grow along the ground are creepers. Creepers cannot grow straight like climbers because they are heavy. They cannot grow like apple on tree. So we learn today about creepers and we grow a watermelon plant. So let's revise what we learned today. We learn about creepers like watermelon, muskmelon and pumpkins. They all are creepers. So where they grow? They cannot grow on tree, they cannot grow in pot, they cannot grow on big pot on like rose and not grow like climbers. So here they cannot grow on tree, rose plant like, then like climbers, then like coriander, not grow in water. They need place to grow. Here you can see the place where watermelon can grow or creepers can grow. Then we learn that they are growing along the ground. So we grow plant of watermelon. First we start growing with seed. We take a seed of watermelon. We put in land. Then we cover it. Then we give sunlight. Then we give water. Then leaves start growing. Small watermelons are there. Big watermelons are there. And we see so many watermelons are there. The example of creepers, pumpkin, muskmelon. What are creepers? Plants that grow along the ground are called creepers. Why they grow along the ground? Because they all are heavy. They not grow like small fruits. Take care of plant when you grow creeper. Interesting fact about watermelon, that why they grow in shape. So what we learned today about creepers.